Hello friends, welcome to Canvas Window Art Channel. Today we'll be learning about 3-point perspective from ant's eye view or earthworm eye view. To draw 3-point perspective from ant's eye view, we need a focal line at the bottom of the paper. Then mark for vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2 and vanishing point 3 above the eye level, that is on the sky. Then draw guidelines very lightly from third vanishing point to the ground. And then darken the lines wherever you needed to draw the cuboids. Here we are practicing cuboids with the 3-point perspective, earthworm's eye view. This can be converted as a buildings later. So these are the basics practice and eye view. Try draw another cuboid nearby the first one. Keep notice it. I am taking guidelines each and every lines. Without the guidelines from the vanishing points, all 3 vanishing points, you cannot draw the perspective drawing. All the vertical lines are vanishes towards the third vanishing point, and left side of the cube resides or vanishes towards the vanishing point 1. Right side the cuboids resides or vanishes towards vanishing point 2. While practicing, try practice with freehand drawing. Keep filling the space with more cuboids. Not to hesitate to take guidelines to each and every lines of the cuboid. try practicing various size of cuboids. Now the cuboids seems to be falling down to the ground. No need to worry. This is 3-point perspective. This is how we draw, and it is visible in the real. Decide the direction of the light to render the object. I am using hatching technique here. Okay, I hope you like this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Comment and share. Subscribe to get more videos on art and NATA entrance related tutorials. We will meet again with another tutorial very soon. Thank you.